Hey everyone, Lex over here, and I'm with Andy. And right behind us over here, this yellow house, is rental number 5, right? 5 for Andy. So this is the 5th rental property that he's purchased. Every one of the properties he's bought has been with a hard money loan that I've gotten for him. And then he basically has them as a rental property. I think the first one you bought was a rehab, but after that all of them had, the second one was a rehab too, right?
Yeah.
So after that, so the first two he actually repaired them, but after that rentals number 3, 4, and 5 had tenants in place already, right?
Correct.
Right, so they had tenants in place, and basically all he did is got his mortgage broker, he's got a good job, good credit, refinance, and this is rental number 5. So basically, how much would you say in equity you've picked up over the last 2 years on these 5 rentals?
I'd say somewhere around 450,000.
So, wow, 450 grand, not bad, right? So, and you're what, 29? 29 now. So 29 years old, and in 2 years he's picked up $400,000 plus of equity in rental properties. He's got 5 rentals, and he's got 15-year mortgages. So by the time his 40, they're going to be paid off. 42, I guess, right?
Yeah.
They'll be paid off. So Andy, somebody was watching this video, and let's say they got a job, they got okay credit, and they want to buy rentals like you. What would you say to them?
I'd say for one, definitely find a mentor. Lex has been really great and really teaching me.
I paid him for that plug, by the way. No, just kidding. Okay, well,
Lex
thank you
has been really great in helping me learn my target area and learning.
But what about mindset? Like someone looking at this saying, hey, 28 years old, he's got 5 rentals and I don't have any rentals. How easy would it be for them to get into this if they wanted to?
I mean, as long as you're focused, you're dedicated, I mean, it's all possible. You just have to take the time to really dedicate to the craft and learn the information. And once you've been able to do so, I mean, I'm no different from anybody else, so I'm pretty sure that all of you guys would be able to do the same thing.
You're an investing legend. All right, so there you have it, right? It's actually very, very simple parameters, right? Know what the house is worth, fixed up, know what you could buy it for, what you can rent it for, and if the numbers work, then just go ahead and buy it. And let's just show you what this house looks like. That is right there, okay? So, pretty straightforward rental property. We're in an area called Miami Gardens. All 5 of his rentals are in Miami Gardens, and I think that Andy lives in Miami Gardens, and I think if you're going to be a landlord, it's a good idea to have all your rentals in an area where you can get to them and manage them. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. And guys, if you want to get into landlording, if you want to be a landlord, if you want to own rentals like Andy, you can do it. All right, he's proof that you can. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the house.